So this is the swimming trunk I wore for my members only. You guys need to see me inside this. It was so nice. So now I want to clap like a little bit, not too much. Just to make my stomach shine. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. My hand is still paining here. I gotta remove the slippers. Let's see. I miss this song. I miss this. I miss this song. I miss this song. I miss this song. I miss. Oh yeah. Let's go back. I miss this song. Let's go back. Let's go back. Oh my god, guys! I have no clap for. Oh no. I think like 2 months. No, I want my stomach to shake. Okay, let's clap now. Let's focus. 1 minute clap. Finish. 1 minute. 1 minute. I'll be clapping for my members only. This skirt is not my size anymore. It's pulling up too much. That's all.